Look at that good sunshine. Good weather vibes. It's nice than the beach out here. Midwest look kind of promising. Oh yeah, look at that red thing. Yeah, y'all see that metallic in there. Y'all see them flakes. Yeah. Dead baby heat. Hitting. Always be good to have bird shit on my stuff, man. Bird shit everywhere. Oh, y'all see that interior? Oh shit. My bad. Gang. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Oh shoot. Excuse me. That good Caprice thing. Oh man. What's the deal, y'all? This your boy Motor City Nick, man. I'm checking back with another video. A little something, man. I ain't doing nothing. It's just a nice day today, and shit, your boy about to be pulling out the whip, man. Shit, about to go pick my little mama up from school and stuff, and might bend a couple corners, but you know, little light, simple video, man. Just want to keep something coming and, you know, show y'all that red thing. Can't wait till I get that motherfucking Impala back, dog. I'm excited about it, man. I went and checked on it, man, and I appreciate, I not appreciate, but I love the stage of where it's at, man. It was good to see, you know, the body work being done on it. I mean, you know, everything. It's just at that stage, you know what I'm saying? That wasn't no final look or none of that shit, like before paint or anything, you know. They just was getting the body work together and all that shit. So, you know, once the body work is all completely done, they're gonna prime it, and then, you know, once they prime it, of course, you know, they're gonna start getting ready, prepping it for paint. So, you know, I mean, it just was good to see that, especially from where it came from, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, all my bills, I don't mind getting it out the mud, man. I don't mind grinding it and you know what I'm saying, putting in some work to them and not getting the most perfect cars, you know what I'm saying? So I do enjoy doing that. That's one thing that your boy enjoy for sure. But I'm about to go pick my little mama up from school, man, and been a couple corners and stuff like that. So check in with y'all in a second. All right, y'all, Motor City gang, man. I don't know what's up, man, with my sounds and my Caprice. Everything been Gucci for the longest. I never really had an issue with anything, but I think over the period of time and over the months and the years, man, I think the sounds that kind of pounded out some of the wires and stuff. So I gotta take all that stuff out, man. I gotta take my back seat apart, man, and I gotta take my you know what I'm saying, bottom seat out and the back seat. I gotta take all that apart, man, so I can gain access to my trunk. I could get in my trunk, but I got a rear deck wall that goes across my the rear end of my trunk. So all my sounds and amps and all that is behind it. So, you know, I gotta go back. I gotta go through the trunk and take it apart. So I don't know, I'm gonna check some of my RCA connections and audio connections, man, and probably my speaker wires too. I took some of my subs apart and was checking some of the wiring just to kind of, you know what I'm saying, make sure that it wasn't my speaker wires that was messing up, or, you know, I might have to check the grounds and stuff like that, you know, because they keep cutting in and out. All my other sounds is working. My interior speakers work great, but I don't know, man. I'm having an issue with my actual subwoofers playing. So, and then I could have blown them too. That's another thing, man. I've blown subwoofers plenty of times before too. Shoot, I've blown some Scar Audio. So I don't know, man. Your boy gonna figure it out, man. But shoot, I'm headed to pick my little mama up, and once I get her, man, probably head back to the crib, you know, be a little short video, or maybe in the corner or so, something like that. Probably go get some gas though. How was school today?
Good.
That's good. Well, now we out of here. We're about to blow this coupe. Traffic, man. That's the worst part about school zones. But everybody be looking at the car though. Oh man, turn that copyright off. Well, we are out of here. So everything was good at school.
Yeah.
That's good. It was nice outside today.
Yeah.
Working on this car. Hey, working on them bikes. All right, y'all. Your boy Motor City Nick about to link up with one of my club members from the club. Man, he has a ink plaque for me. You know what I'm saying? It's a custom plaque that goes in some of our B bodies that we have, man, that we put into a lot of our whips and stuff. So I was blessed from him, man. He's gonna hook me up with one of those plaques, man. So I'm about to link up with him right now, and I'm about to go ahead and you know what I'm saying, meet up so I could go ahead and grab that plaque from him. I'll show y'all when I get it. Oh, what's going on? What's going on?
Shit, I'm going
literally
right across the street.
Oh wow, man. Definitely appreciate it.
Man. I polished it and shit.
Oh man, thank
the
you.
little clips.
Okay, for the window tracks.
Yeah, well, not for the window tracks. I had mine in the back.
Okay, back window,
I had
back
it
window.
back, so you just like slide it in the the back
Yeah,
deck.
yeah.
And it's kicked in this way, for it won't be tilting over. You know what I mean?
Okay.
But I don't know who got the window hookup. There were a couple more little things I had in the garage.
Oh man, thank you.
you.
Display joints.
Yeah.
Oh man, them nice. I appreciate it, man. Definitely gotta shout my bro out, man. Big shout out.
Oh shit, what's happening? You had me on live.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
man. Thank you.
Man, you doing your shit, man.
Man, I definitely appreciate it, man.
Somebody's gonna appreciate that shit.
Man, this a blessing. I ain't gonna lie. You know I'm gonna keep holding it down. So you know we got the meet and greet on the 14th if you ain't busy.
That's over there by Ted's house, right? Park over that way?
Actually, that's on it's like off John R. We did a meet and greet there. I do it the same place every year. All right, y'all. I just met up with my homeboy Dent, man, my club brother from Ink Nation, man, from Detroit Ink. He blessed your boy, man, with a nice ink plaque, man. This is beautiful, man. He even polished it up for me, so, man. Big shout out to my boy Dent, man, my club brother Dent, man. I definitely appreciate this blessing, man. I got the brackets, too, man, to set this thing up. And he also hooked me up, man, with some nice ink little plaques right here like this, man. So, big shout out to Dent, man. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna do a video. I'm gonna show y'all when I put it up, man. I think I'm gonna put this in the Impala, man, because I already got something in the back of the Caprice, man. But definitely appreciate you, man. Big shout out to you, Dent, man. All right, y'all, your boy Motor City Nick, man, about to check out with this video, man. So if this y'all first time watching this video, man, and y'all made it to the end, be sure to hit that like, comment, and subscribe, man. Make sure y'all join the Motor City crew, man, and hit that notification bell so you stay up to date with your boy. Your boy about to get to some stuff this weekend, man. There's some nice videos. I said nice videos. It's some nice events going on this weekend, man, that I'm about to tap into. It's a little car show event. I went to it last year and it was nice. So stay tuned for the next video for that, man. I'm gonna pull up on that and see how the turnout is, you know. Just kind of ride through it, cruise through it, see what new builds and whips people are bringing out so far for the new year. But once again, man, this your boy Motor City Neek. I'm checking out with another video. I'll holla at y'all. Peace.